how to create mega menu in WordPress with Elementor. So as you can see here, what you're gonna have to do in order to basically create this mega menu is, first of all, you're gonna have to set up your menu. Then you're gonna have to enable this plugin, which is called Jet Menu, and then after that you're gonna have to use Elementor and Elementor Pro, as you can see here. So you're gonna have to simply go to menus. So you're gonna have to go to your WordPress dashboard, then go to menus, and then here you're gonna have to create a menu structure like this. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply install this plugin, which is called Jet Menu, and then set mega menu item. So as you can see, when you install the plugin, you're gonna have the option to simply enable Jet Menu for current location for the primary menu, and then you're gonna have to select, as you can see, Jet Menu, and then simply click on Save Menu. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply enable mega submenu enabled, and then after that you're going to be able to design the mega menu using Elementor. So when you go to your Elementor dashboard, you're going to be able to change the design. As you can see here, I have this header, so here you're going to be able to change the design of the mega menu, and basically that's all you have to do. But for this you're going to need to have Elementor Pro, and you're going to have to pay for the Jet Menu plugin. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.